So today's video is about microphones. Let me get across the street here. I don't get a lot of views on my YouTube channel. You know, some of my videos be on there years and not get 100 hits. I've got one or two gets a few thousand on it. Nothing that would be something that would make any money on YouTube. So it doesn't make a lot of sense for me to spend a lot of money on microphones. But I want my sound to be decent anyway. You know, I like for my videos to be as good as they possibly can. Now on my channel you might see everything from drone videos to building guitars. So whatever I happen to be doing at the time, that's what I'll make a video on. So what I wanted to do, I want to be able to have a microphone independent of my camera. Because the built-in camera, as you can hear right now on this thing, on this GoPro, it doesn't sound that great. Sometimes it rattles in the case, makes all kinds of noise. So let's go back to the other one if it's working. I hope this other mic's working. We're running a test on a homemade lapel mic that I built that you'll see in another video. The mic is right here, and if it's working, it should have better sound than what's on this GoPro. Now usually on the GoPro I'll have a shotgun mic like the one seen in this photo on top of the GoPro, mounted to a shoe. With the mic on top of the GoPro, on the mic shoe, it makes it too top heavy, and the gimbal really struggles. You pick up motor noise, all kinds of stuff. I'm a ham radio operator, and part of our hobby in ham radio is build it yourself. Build our own antennas, modify and work on our radios, and microphones are a part of ham radio too. You have different mics that you can use, desk mics, hand mics. Most of those are dynamic mics. Mostly what you'll see in these cameras and on the earbuds, like I built this microphone I'm wearing from, is condenser mics. Condenser mics are good for picking up everything around the environment, while dynamic mics, you got to be up close talking to them, and they kind of block out a lot of background noise. If I'm using this camera or the Nikon in the same video, or even in different videos or different parts of the video, I want the voice to sound the same no matter what. Different cameras like the Nikon, that microphone sounds way different than the one on this GoPro. The GoPro seems to have a deeper sound to it, while the Nikon has a real tinny sound to it. I run an extra microphone and just edit it into the video to keep all the sound the same no matter which camera shot I'm getting. If I want to walk away from the camera and still have the sound right, I need a portable mic. So to demonstrate, as you can see here in the GoPro now, I'm standing back from it a little bit. If I go further away, the sound kind of fades out. As the further away I get, the less you hear me. Probably getting to where I'd have to holler right now for you to hear me very well. But if I have a microphone on me instead of on the camera, like a lapel mic, as I go from the camera and closer to the camera, the sound remains the same. It's steady. It's not, I can get away from the camera and you can hear me. that's the reason I built the lapel mic, is to be able to do that, have more freedom with my camera. So we're going to see how this works out. And if you want to see how I built this, if it works good and you think it sounds okay, you can look at my other video and see how it's made and maybe come up with a better idea yourself, or something better yourself than what I did here. So let me know what you think about this mic. Does it sound better than the built-in mic? Worse? Does it sound okay? Leave a comment, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.